Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping, specifically looking at an app called Spocket. Now, if you're new to the dropshipping game, you might be wondering, is Spocket the magic bullet that will skyrocket your sales and make you a millionaire overnight? Well, hold your horses. The answer, like most things in business, is a bit more nuanced. We'll be dissecting Spocket, exploring its pros and cons, and ultimately helping you decide if it's the right tool for your dropshipping journey. So, buckle up, dropshipping entrepreneurs, because we're about to unpack everything you need to know. Finding your dropshipping flow, the allure of Spocket. Let's face it, dropshipping can be a roller coaster. You find a hot product, list it in your store, and pray for those sweet sales. But then comes the hassle, finding reliable suppliers, managing inventory, and dealing with potentially long shipping times. That's where Spocket comes in. It promises to streamline the entire dropshipping process, connecting you with US and EU-based suppliers who supposedly offer faster shipping and potentially better product quality compared to traditional dropshipping methods like AliExpress. Sounds pretty slick, right? Here are some of Spocket's key features that have many dropshippers singing its praises. Curated selection of products. Spocket vets its suppliers, aiming to provide a higher quality selection compared to some open marketplaces. Faster shipping times. Since many suppliers are located in the US and EU, you can potentially offer quicker delivery to your customers, boosting satisfaction. Easy product import. With a few clicks, you can import products directly into your store, saving you tons of time and effort. Branded invoicing. Spocket allows you to remove their branding from invoices, giving your store a more professional touch. The other side of the coin, Spocket's potential drawbacks. While Spocket boasts some attractive features, it's not perfect. Here are some things to consider before jumping in. Subscription fees. Unlike free options like Oberlo, Spocket has paid plans with limitations on the number of products you can add and sell. This can be a burden for beginners. Limited product selection. Compared to giants like AliExpress, Spocket's product library might feel smaller. You might struggle to find unique products to stand out from the crowd. Supplier dependence. You're still relying on third-party suppliers, so quality control and communication can still be a concern. Profit margins. Remember, convenience often comes at a cost. Spocket suppliers might have higher prices than you'd find elsewhere, squeezing your profit margins. So, is Spocket right for you? The verdict. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Here's how to decide if Spocket aligns with your dropshipping goals. Are you a beginner? Spocket's user-friendly interface and curated selection can be a good starting point. However, the subscription fees might be a hurdle. Do you prioritize fast shipping times? If speedy delivery is crucial for your target audience, Spocket's US and EU suppliers could be a major advantage. Are you looking for unique products? If you want to stand out from the competition, Spocket's limited selection might not be ideal. The bottom line, Spocket's a tool, not a magic wand. Spocket can be a valuable tool, but it's not a guaranteed shortcut to dropshipping success. Remember, success depends on your product selection, marketing efforts, and customer service. Spocket can simplify the process, but the real work lies in building a strong brand and providing a top-notch customer experience. Experiment, analyze, and adapt. The best approach? Experiment. Try Spocket, see if it works for your workflow, and compare it to other options. Track your results, analyze your profit margins, and adapt your strategy based on what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Spocket, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more dropshipping insights. Until next time, happy selling.